Health is the most precious gift that humans are endowed with by nature. The holiest mission that the enterprise could commit to is to make people's life sweeter and healthier. Sucralose was invented by Tate and Lyle scientists in 1976. After years of safety and toxicity experiments, its safety record has been well known and approved in over 120 countries. It was then approved to be used in food, pharmaceuticals, industry, and other fields. With its excellent processing ability, sucralose is the first choice of high-intensity sweeteners for food and pharmaceutical enterprises. With a fabulous taste, sucralose has won wide recognition among global consumers. The recognition from governments, enterprises, and consumers endows sucralose with a much longer life cycle. JK Sweet Sucralose has no compromise on sugar taste. With the mission of leading healthy consumption and ensuring food safety, JK Sucralose Incorporated contributes itself to the independent research and development of sucralose products, manufacturing, and devotes to the development and protection of its independent intellectual property rights. JK Sucralose Incorporated has applied for 7 patents in China and 4 international patents abroad. To break industrial barrier, JK Sucralose Incorporated took the initiative to accept the intellectual property rights investigation of International Trade Commission, ITC, and won the suit. This made it become the first Chinese manufacturer in the world and the only manufacturer in China to perform this. This practice ensured that business cooperation went smoothly with no legal risks. In ancient time, people in the Yancheng extracted salt from the seawater, making Yancheng scattered with salt workshops everywhere. Nowadays, having cranes flying over the beach, Yancheng enjoys nature's blessing of rich coastal harbor resources. Covering an area of 135,000 square meters, JK Sucralose Incorporated is located in Yancheng of Jiangsu Province. It is currently the largest and the most professional sucralose manufacturer in China. JK Sucralose Incorporated is the only sucralose venture that is approved by the Chinese government to have a projected production capacity of 800 tons. It is also the first sucralose manufacturer invested by a public company in China. JK Sucralose Incorporated is the first company in China equipped with 300 tons GMP facilities at 100,000 grade standard. Food safety is the lifeline of food manufacturers, as well as the premise and foundation for sustainable development of the company. JK Sucralose Incorporated is making every effort to ensure the food safety and high quality of its products. According to the standard, JK carries out its manufacturing properly. All the products have passed the certifications of GMP, HACCP, ISO 9001, several international product certifications of kosher, halal, and RQA certification, etc., made by the third-party certification authorities. Having the global suppliers qualification of many well-known international food enterprises, it has become the first Chinese sucralose supplier around the world. JK's sucralose products completely comply with the national standards, other international standards of FCC 5, USP 30, European standards, and Japanese standards. As the leading enterprise in the industry, JK Sucralose Incorporated became one of the major companies involved in the draft of Chinese national sucralose standards. With a global marketing network, JK Sucralose Incorporated has its sales center in Beijing and has other professional sales branches in the United States and Europe. Depending on its independent intellectual properties, adequate production capacity, and perfect product quality, JK Sucralose Incorporated has become the second largest supplier of sucralose in the world. Harmony of nature brings us a peaceful world. Harmony of the enterprise brings cooperative partners a sweet smile. Through continuous investment, independent research, and development, JK Sucralose Incorporated builds up its sweet enterprise by the driven force of innovative technologies. Guided by the sustainable development theory, JK Sucralose Incorporated is creating a healthy and sweet life happily.